Now gold is not enough.
Mommy. Excuse me, is this American Airlines? No? Okay, thanks. I ain't gonna. Mommy. Excuse me, guys. Is this to Phoenix?
We have no idea. We're sitting here.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Good. Cringe. Where are you guys going? Like, where are you flying?
No, we just got here.
Oh, you just got here? Oh, sick. Because I was gonna say I'm going to Phoenix right now. I don't really feel like going anymore, so like I'm totally down to kick with you guys. Like I got all my stuff anyway, so I'm so down.
You're lying.
No, like I'm down.
What changed your mind?
Just you guys, really. It's like, you ever believe in love at first sight? It's kind of like love at first sights at this point, you know? So we could be like a throuple, but all right, yeah, I'll go grab a piece of pizza. See ya. Hey. Sorry guys, where's this flight going? Philadelphia?
Yeah.
You guys are on here?
Yeah.
I'm so down. I'm gonna go see if I can change my flight. It's cool if I kick it with you guys?
You're not, no.
I can, I'm going to Phoenix, but Philadelphia also starts with a P. So I'll just change it. I'll go ask him. Hey guys, I'm so sorry about that. We're just making a fun video snoring in the airport. I think you saw, right? Yeah. Is it cool if we use that reaction for a video?
Oh.
Okay, thanks. Sorry about that. It's so cringe. I hate my life. But anyway.
Go for it.
Thank you. Hey guys, I'm so sorry about that. We're just filming a really dumb video called like snoring in the airport. We're just filming a dumb video called like snoring in the airport.
Oh.
Yeah, completely messing around these in that corner right there.
Oh, okay.
Are you guys cool being in the video?
That's fine.
Awesome. Thanks guys. Have a good one. I'm so sorry about that. We're making a fun video just called like snoring in the airport.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Are you guys cool being in the video?
Yeah, that's what
Awesome. Thank you.
No, we were.
My name is ستيفن Shapiro. You can spell it anyway, it'll come up. Yeah. So quick question for you guys. It's really f***ing hard for us right now to get a thumbnail, obviously, because everyone's so like masked up and everything. Do you mind if we take a thumbnail? Are you guys cool with that? Okay. Hey guys, sorry. We're just making a fun video, basically telling people we'll tag along on their travel plans. We're completely messing around. He's right there. See him. You guys cool being in the video? You guys are super nice. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. We just film YouTube videos. So this one's called telling people you'll tag along on their travel. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't scare you.
I wasn't. I knew I was like, he's gonna come back.
I was on a plane watching stuff like that.
Oh, really? Gotcha. All right, well, enjoy Miami.